Good morning, students. Uh, I got to know that your phone is being hanged because of so many videos, but then I can understand your problem. That is why important things I have shared yesterday my YouTube address, right? So you can just find out the videos that is already uploaded in my YouTube channel. Yes, but what important I remember, I'm just trying to make you understand. First of all, in this slide here, don't pay much attention, just very superficially, but yes, I'm trying to explain very short what I'm speaking. Listen carefully. First of all, if there will be two questions I can expect. First is that is descriptive, and another one is that's a what we can say that short type of questions. For example, IC analysis, if I talk, then two types of questions: descriptive or uh, short answer, right? So descriptive, you have to write, maybe you may be told to write short note, no sorry, describe the IC analysis limitations and all, right? So that will be the descriptive or essay type question. But objective or short answer is more scoring. And if you are doing IC analysis, so you can do. And what is IC analysis? That's a short, for short notes I'm speaking here, but for long notes you can read this material, this study material, and then you will get idea what is ICM analysis. But yes, very brief, that deals with immediate constituent analysis, which is a method of sentence analysis. Finally, that's a sentence analysis, and you have to tell at last, that's a each and every word's parts of speech, which part of speech this word belongs to. That is very important here, right? And then who has propounded this idea or theory? That is propounded by Leonard Bloomfield. That is very important, pioneer of American structuralism, who talks about structures of the language. So here you have to take care of, right? IC analysis is a technique of analyzing constituents of a sentence. It can be segregated from phrases, clauses, and whole sentence, right? So any phrase, even phrase का भी IC analysis होता है, clause का भी और sentence का तो होता ही है. This way you have to divide the sentence, right? It can be broken up into immediate constituent. Immediate means last constituents, right? Divided constituents are also divided into further immediate constituents. This process continues until a meaningful unit of a word or word is gotten. Finally, at last, word cannot be divided into letters, but where we have to stop? Up to the word, right? Sentence, then clause, then phrase, then word, right? This way. Then for analyzing the IC, we can keep an example. The player plays football, right? So I'm not explaining, just see. Sentence, S for sentence. Here you can see that sentence. Then sentence is divided into two parts. How? Noun phrase and verb phrase or verbal phrase, same. Noun phrase again is divided into determiner and noun. Player is noun, right? Common noun. So the and player. VP is plays and football. So plays is main verb and football is again noun. So here you can conclude that verbal phrase may contain noun also, right? So this way this analysis or T diagram will be made. Same explanation is given here. Now moving to another one, that is, yeah, that is the cat runs into the room. Here I'm talking about, right? Tree diagram is not given here, but then I'm telling you first, that's the cat will be the noun phrase, runs into the room will be the verbal phrase. The noun phrase will be divided into two. The is article or determiner and cat is noun. Now runs into the room. So runs, verbal phrase, drop the runs, and runs, S will be plural, This way you can write main verb. And then into the room, into the room is prepositional phrase, again prepositional phrase, drop into, and then that is noun phrase, prepositional phrase, then noun phrase. So prepositional phrase is in, preposition is into, and noun phrase is, that's a the determiner and room. This way, this is another kind of analysis they have given. Even the same you can do in the exam, and then the baby bite, same you can do other examples. Yes, but then I'm telling you that why they are discussing here, because they are talking about limitations of IC analysis. IC analysis does not trace which elements the constituents parts are. Very important. What they are not able to tell that which elements constituents parts are. For example, S. So S is what? Plural, we know that, but which element of part of speech or something, they don't talk. It does not give much knowledge about sentence construction, right? How sentence, where to use S, where not to. Deer, in deer, 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 animal wala deer, that's the same spelling. So they don't talk why same spelling, because singular is deer and plural is there, no deers, right? So many words that they don't have plural. Scenery, no S, right? Furniture, no S. So there are some nouns which do not have plural form, but IC analysis is mute to speak. It's mute not to speak. What's the reason, right? So IC analysis cannot indicate noun phrase are built on nouns or other phrases at the same time. Verbally we can say, explain, we can get idea. You can teach, I can teach in the class that that's a S is plural. But I would like to tell you that even grammar is not 100% 100% perfect, right? So many discrepancies are found in grammar also. So, and that is why IC analysis is not able to tell why some of the constituents are joined or separated, like what's the S, which part of speech is S, we don't know because it's not given. This way IC analysis is limited, right? So this way you can explain. So I have told you mainly here, that's this idea or concept is propounded by Bloomfield, right? And in the beginning I told you that's a Bloomfield, right? And here yes, and then definition you can remember, examples you can remember, you can tell that's a here as S is subject, noun phrase, verbal phrase, right? This way you can explain. But yes, one more statement from your side, that madam is telling different, and other slides and other what we can say, that other YouTube videos are speaking different. So I am not in fact not speaking anything. That is your decision, and then you have to yes, but yes, it's my suggestion to listen other videos also, and then common general idea you can take and move further. But anyhow, your paper should be done good and clear and correct, right? So all the best, and most welcome for your suggestions and your queries. Thank you. God bless you.